Hey, what's going on? This is your boy J-Hen with J-Hen and Travel and Life, and I want to thank you guys for stopping by my YouTube channel on today. And today what we're doing is we're just doing an unboxing. I've been ordering stuff. It's December 23rd. I've had lots of packages coming of stuff that I've ordered. So what I do is I do unboxings here on the channel. I do vlogs, travel vlogs, talk about travel, talk about life, and sometimes I'll review products and show products. I'm outdoors, you guys. Planes are flying over me right now, but we're just gonna go ahead and flow with it. I know it's probably cold in some parts of the country right now. Where I'm at, it's only 50 degrees on this December 23rd night of 2022. Some places I know it's like minus 35 and minus 40 and minus 20 right now, but we're gonna go ahead and get into this unboxing. And whatever I unbox on the channel, I try to leave links down in the description below, so that way if you're interested in getting what you see, you can just click the link. Some of the links may be Amazon links, and then if you want to know more about me, more about my channel, you can check the links down there below, or if you want to follow me on other social media platforms, you can do that. So let's see. Oh, this is just something nice and simple right here that I ordered. This is just, oh wait, do I got more than one thing in here? No, it's just one item in here, you guys. These are some socks that I ordered in the part of the fraternity, the men's fraternity, Phi Beta Sigma. So I just ordered these socks here that have the Greek lettering. These socks, they're royal blue, pure white, and then they have the year that the fraternity was founded. So they got the 1914 and the Greek letters Phi Beta Sigma that represent the fraternity Phi Beta Sigma. 1914, and these are actually some some pretty good quality socks. So I will be rocking these socks come next month, January, you guys. So again, you guys can check the description down below. I'll leave the link where I got these socks from. If you like this video, hit the like button, leave me a comment down below, watch some more of my unboxing videos, and even check out some of my travel videos, you guys. Alright, until next time, this your boy J-Hen. Peace.